Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. If you would like to quickly have access to Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on Do Not Disturb. So now you have to decide which mode you would like to use. You can choose total silence, so this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games. You can choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except your priority rules, or you can choose alarms only, so you can just allow the alarms. You can also set up the time, so you can switch on for an hour or for another period of time. Alright, let me tap done. As you can see, alarms only is activated. Here I also have the icon of this mode, and if you would like to set up the Do Not Disturb settings, you can open the settings app, scroll down, and under sound you can find Do Not Disturb. Here you can choose priority only allows, so you can add your rules to allow some priority interruptions. For example, you can handle with reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept the calls and messages from some contacts as well. Let's go back. You can also set up some automatic rules, so you can switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or every other rule. Let's go back, and you can also block visual disturbance if you would like to. So basically that's it. To quit the Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice, tap on alarms only, and as you can see now you are using the normal mode of your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.